So the shrub we have here is Euonymus Emerald Gold. This was here when we moved into the house, and it's been planted in a really sunny spot, and this is vigorous. Every year in spring I have to cut it back, but it's so vigorous. However, I love the look of this. You'll notice at the top there you've got some stems starting to trail up the wall. Now some of them are starting to flop over, but if this gets bushy around this area, this will eventually creep all the way up the wall, hence the name winter creeper for these shrubs. I've got a couple of these shrubs in the garden. This one's in full sun, and I've got another one that's planted in full shade. One thing you've got to watch with this is these leaves. Now, this green growth will try and take over the bush, so whenever you see this, you best to cut it right back to source to make sure that it keeps this foliage. There's a couple of these in the garden, and there's another shrub that looks older than this, and this colour has taken over the shrub. Now here I have another Euonymus bush that has been grown up against the wall. I think this was planted many years ago. As you can see, it's quite a large shrub, but you don't call it winter creeper for nothing. I think it's a really good wall shrub, and it's allowed to grow. One thing you'll notice about this though, it is completely green, so over time it's lost the original colour that it had. Still looks good, but if you can keep on top of this green growth, it'll be better, because you don't want this green growth taken over if you want to keep that foliage. Now this shrub here, another Emerald Gold, is getting a bit of sun at the moment, but for most of the year this is in total shade, and some of the branches, they start growing all over the place in different directions. So I've pruned this right back into a ball shape to try and keep it compact. You can see that what's happening with this green growth coming through quite vigorously. Got to keep on top of that, keep cutting that back right to source to make sure that this shrub keeps its colour. But this Emerald Gold shrub is so tough, so versatile, so hardy, it's almost indestructible. Now normally, if this wasn't here, I never would have planted it, but I've really got a lot of respect for these shrubs since moving into this house and seeing how well these plants take to any condition that the weather will throw at it, or any condition will throw at it.